In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and delete lists and cards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tasks, and workflows. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of personal to-dos, Trello's flexibility makes it a popular choice, but as your boards fill up, keeping things tidy becomes essential. That's where archiving and deleting come in handy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to archive and delete cards and lists in Trello, ensuring your boards stay clean and manageable. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about archiving a card. To get started, locate the card you want to archive. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the card. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From that menu, select the option that says Archive, and just like that, the card is archived. Archiving doesn't delete the card, it just moves it out of sight, so your board stays clutter-free while keeping the card available if you need it later. Now, let's move on to archiving an entire list. Start by finding the list you want to archive. Look at the top right corner of the list, and you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 dots. This is the options menu for that list. Click on the 3 dots icon, and a menu will appear with several options. Scroll to the bottom of this menu and select Archive List. Once you do this, the entire list will be archived, just like we did with the card. Next, let's explore how to manage your archived items and delete them permanently if needed. To begin, go to the top right corner of your Trello board. Again, you'll see a 3 dots icon. This one represents the board's options menu. Click on it to open the menu, and from the drop-down list, select Archived Items. This will bring up a list of all the cards and lists you've archived. Now review the items in your archived list. Take your time to go through them and decide which ones you want to delete permanently. When you're ready, locate the item you'd like to remove forever and click the Delete button next to it. Trello will ask you to confirm your choice. Remember, deleting an item is irreversible. Once you confirm, the item will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily archive cards and lists to keep your Trello boards tidy. And when needed, delete those archived items for good. If you're new to Trello, you can find a link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.